Hey guys, welcome to another video where my odd brother and me entertain you guys. So as you can see, I'm playing with slime, but it's awfully sticky. So we're gonna be turning this failed slime. The lights are way too bright, and I'm sick right now. So yeah, we're gonna be turning. Can I help you? This failed slime into jiggly slime. So let's get started. Sorry if I'm tearing up right now. As I told you, I have the flu right now. So yeah.
Hi, back from Iran. Boy, I love that.
Okay, so we have some warm water.
Oh my God, look at your hands.
I keep tearing up. I'm so beautiful. So
Still
we
tearing up.
have this slime here, which you could also see. That's disgusting. On my hands. Yeah, and we're gonna be turning this into jiggly slime. So we have some warm water here, and we're gonna pour it in.
These hands are disgusting.
Ah! You wanna pour some more in? Actually, we'll do like. You want to stir?
Nah,
Okay.
it's all slimy now.
True. So we're stirring right now.
I'm going back inside my bucket. Bye.
Bye. See you never. Yeah, that's probably enough for the whole thing because it's really watery right now.
Oi. Of this thing.
He's mad.
Why?
He's mad. You can wash it. Yeah, see? Mom knows best. You can wash it, no problem. So guys, it's like literally melted slime right now. This feels really interesting. Like, I don't like it, but like it at the same time. I'm gonna take this out because it's useless. And I'm gonna add some detergent. A lot of it. Like that much to start with. And see if it helps. And yes, it's clumping together. Look at this. It's clumping together.
Ready?
I got it on my nose!
Fuddy Wuddy.
But Wuddy's still not finished. I got slime on my nose. You're just gonna have to cope with it the whole video. So yeah, enjoy. Enjoy me making a fool of myself. Nice.
I have to also change my clothes.
Me
Should I come
too.
Okay, I'm coming back.
This is not stretchy.
Just ignore the dogs when they bark.
You wanna try?
No. I just lost a huge bucket. I knew that you were gonna put slime on it. I gotta come and collect it.
He's gonna collect it from dry cleaning. / him waiting for it to dry.
Nice and clean. This is new.
Okay.
I can't.
Oh my god.
That's what you get.
You're so mean, and you know I can't get it out because my hand is all slime. You dare do that again.
Yeah. And what are you gonna do?
Oh, you will see. Just try and you will see. Just try.
Who made this?
What? You?
This.
You.
Nah.
No. proud of it. He was proud of it.
I was not proud of it. I should always do that again.
No, you're doing it. Put it in the frame.
Mommy wanted to put it on the frame and you just ripped it.
Can you tape it?
Can you tape it? You will pay for what you did. I'm sorry. Okay. My butt is burning! My butt is burning right now! No! My favorite PJs! Well, these are my baggy clothes that I wear when I'm sick. My favorite PJs! Mama's cloth under the table. And my favorite chair! My favorite PJs! You ruined them! You ruined my life!
I'm wearing my least favorite ones.
Good for you. I'm so mad at him.
Change it.
My bandage. I think it's ruined. It's wet. No, I just wrapped it this morning. I changed it. Oh, you will pay for this. Guys, if you want to see a prank video, I will film it myself. Okay, and I'll show you the prank. Hi. Guys. Oh, hi. What a nice view. Have a seat. Have a
What
seat.
a scene!
Have a seat.
Lovely!
Yeah, lovely.
Seats.
Yeah, lovely.
Nice and hot.
Can't change it.
Very watery.
Give me this one.
Change it with the sir seats.
Guys, I'm like so mad right now. I told Faddy Weddy before this video that only 20% of slimes, or 20 to 30%, 20 to 35% of the slimes that you try to turn into jiggly slime when it's already a failed slime survive. And sadly, this is part of the 80 to 75%.
How to make fail slime.
How to make a failed slime, guys. It's amazing. Just add lots of water and lots of persil and then spill it on yourself and then put slime on your brother.
Well, if you don't have a brother, then put it on yourself.
Put it on your dog.
If you don't have a dog or anything,
Put it on your mom!
Oh my gosh.
Come here for a hug. You want a hug?
No, I don't want.
Come here. You want a hug?
No.
You want a hug? You guys want a hug? I gotta smudge my mom's new phone.
and then you have to pay 2,500.
Pretty sure that's more than that.
You wanna pay that money, then smudge your mom's phone. By the way, if you didn't know, I removed my shirt.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we all got that.
Yay. By the way, my mom didn't edit this. My shirt cut out. No. It'll cut out my whole torso.
I have an idea. Let's play EXO. I'll set out the grid.
I would rather play with the stick.
Okay. Not a bad idea.
Okay.
Okay. How about the other side? Yeah, I am.
Yeah, your gum is covered with slime.
No! I was gonna...
You couldn't put it here. This is safe.
How was I supposed to know we were gonna end up like this? I didn't even know we were filming a video. Just wanna win.
Wait, don't click. Don't you dare click the pause button. Don't you dare. Or you will get something you don't want to see.
Gonna kill us. Oh, you may know.
No, I didn't mean one. 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 Don't you dare. No,
Oh, I dare.
No, I don't. No, catch. I am definitely my baby.
No!
Reloading.
I hate you! My hair sticks. I wasn't planning. Ow, my toe. I wasn't planning.
Okay, say bye.
Okay, guys. Bye!
See you in the next video.
Bye! Make sure to like, subscribe, share this video, and comment down below.
Yeah.
If you want to see another more crazy video. Bye!
Yeah, I'm going to see. Help me. Please help me.
Ow.
You're going to see this.
Imagine my dad coming home from work and looking at us like this. Just imagine.
You'd be creeped out.